So here I'm sharing my understanding with you. So far, if you go with this description, then you will find that we need to allow the reserved table or the blocked table reservation option. So it means that host can reserve any tables they want, and they will no longer be like this reserved and the non-clickable. So if I show you the flow, let me check with any time and any reserved table. So definitely host cannot select a table, say if it is 2%, if they're selecting 5 or 4%, they cannot select a 2% table without the combination. So that restriction is always there. But here I don't have any reserved tables, but I have only on blocked tables. So it blocked tables was actually for a table those you cannot those is not having a duration of 2 hours of block length. Okay, so it means that table is not available for 2 hours. At that time we are showing that table as blocked. So whether it's blocked or reserved, that should not matter. The thing is that the host can, only the host, not the customer, the host can reserve a table anytime. Okay, this table was blocked at that time because you see this had a reservation next at this time. That was the reason that was blocked. So anyway, whether it's blocked or reserved, this should be also available for the host to click and reserve, but we need to give them an option so they can understand that this is a overlap table, so not like available or best match table. This table has overlap reservation, so maybe with a different color or a different status, something like that. Color need to be definitely different, and then we can give a different status as well. Or it can be reserved but maybe with a different color, where host will be able to select that table, and also when they are getting that table somewhere for this reserved tables, we need to give them the option to check or view the reservation that is already in these tables. So I mean in the overlapped time only. So it, unlike that we are going to show some future date time, because it's always working with the current time and date. So we need to give them an option to see the reservations that is already exist with this table. So the loading of the reservation is the part of the API, but what we need is the UI, how this is going to be. And for the UI, I guess it could be similar to the layout, but we need a different color and status. And also if we select this will get selected for the reservation, but we need another option so we can see the reservation of this table that is overlapping. So right now if I go on the reservation, if I go on the layout, yeah, you see these are the reserved table where we can click and review the reservation it has. So it could be the similar interface over there. So we can click on that overlapped tables, select that table reserved, and also view the other reservations. So we need two actions with this. One is we can view the reservation exist or overlapped reservation exists here, and also we can select that table for reservation. So and also when we will be reviewing that table from the list, maybe we can think better that we can give them an option for um, I mean a different status or color if there is overlap reservation or not. So if you have the understanding, then you can do it similar for the reservation when we are booking a reservation or when we are at the in the layout. So let me know your thoughts.